This video is powered by Oxygen, the digital expert. Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Pearly Technique. Now we are a family of 55,000 followers. Yay! Thank you so much guys for the love and support. We've been actually, learning a lot through this process, and as we learn together, right? And thank you so much for the amazing comments. It's really helping us do better. So welcome once again to Pearly Technique. So today we're going to unbox a Xiaomi 13 Pro. Really like the packaging. It looks very sleek. It's black and I like the color combination. And one of the most exciting things over here is Leica. They have co-engineered with Leica, which means the camera quality is going to be just amazing. And also, they have, it says India's most trusted smartphone brand, ISO 9001, certified service center coverage, pan-India. Okay, so I think it's time to check okay, this is AMOLED. Okay, I'll talk about it later. Now let's start the unboxing. As I was shooting, it's just mummy duties. So today we have a guest on our show who's gonna do the unboxing. Addictive. It just means I love you. Okay, now just unbox. How do you unbox? How do you unbox it? Like you do this? Do the kuchi kuchi ku? Okay, she's gonna unbox. Start unboxing. Just thorakku moles. Idadingena thorakanam. Okay. Palcha. 1, 2. Yay! Let it clap idu. Okay. Now how do you take it out? Okay. Now take it out. Okay. Idu ingena pokkanam. Idu ingena kulikkitakati. Kulikkitakata. Takatakatikitaka. Ha, tarnu mama tarnu. No good. Oh my god. Paranga.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Super. Idonnu illa kando idinathu onnu illa but idellanu. So guys, this is how it looks inside. So we have the papers. So this is the paper girl. These are the papers. Okay, okay, now we're gonna take this. Oh, the phone is here. Yay, super bara. Super. Now just feel the phone. Is it heavy? Wait. No, it's okay. Hello parange. Hello. Hello. Okay. So now they have also given us the adapter. This is 120 watts. You like it? Most silent unboxing I have ever seen. You want to switch it on? Okay, I'm going to switch it on. I've just switched it on. Look at that. She's pressing something. So Nila is just checking the papers right now. Is it all looking good, girl? Mole? How's it looking? Oh, they have given us a phone cover. Hey, this is so nice. She loves phone covers. So they also have the SIM ejector. I'm going to keep it aside because she's around. They also have given us the papers. I think it's a good thing they are giving the adapter and the wire, which is actually great because some phones don't do that. So I think it's a very good thing. Plus they are giving us a nice cover. So Nila has just finished unboxing. I just want to thank her because she graced this episode with her presence. Nilu, just say bye to everyone. Bye, Barnge.
Bye.
Please subscribe. So the phone is actually a very solid phone. It's actually quite heavy, and in fact the backside looks pretty cool because it's a bioceramic material. Also the front is Gorilla Victus. Now talking about the buttons and ports, we have the volume control button and the power button. The microphone and the IR sensor is at the top. At the bottom, we have the stereo speakers, charging port and SIM card slot which can hold dual SIM. You know what? All my fingerprints are on this phone. Sherlock Holmes would be very happy if somebody's carrying this phone because he can just get the fingerprints so easily. I know it was a bad joke. The screen is 6.73 inches with 2K AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. It's got Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus display. It's also got a peak brightness of 1900 nits, which provides with the best viewing experience, even under sunlight. When you look at the back side of the phone, you can see 3 camera lenses over here, and you can also see it's protruding a little bit because this camera has a 1-inch camera sensor inside it, which is actually the largest among any smartphone because Xiaomi that way is standing out and it's actually sensing me. One of the best parts about this phone this time is that they have collaborated with Leica. As we know, it's a German company and a lot of professional photographers use this particular lens because of its durability, its high quality and its ability to produce clear and crisp images. As we know, the black and white photos that this lenses produce is really popular and it's one of the best in that field. Also, it's perfect for street photography, so we have to explore the phone and the camera here. Talking about the camera, we have the primary lens, the telephoto lens and the ultra wide, which are all 50 megapixel. The front camera, as you can see, is 32 megapixel, which is actually great because me being a vlogger, I feel it's really important to have a nice front camera on our phone because that's how we upload, right? The quality would look so nice on big screen, and I can also already see the clarity in the front camera, which is very crisp and clear. I've never seen myself so beautiful now. How is this even possible? Thank God my mother and dad did a wonder. Now coming to the processing side of it, the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is designed to provide groundbreaking performance. The processor has 37% more improved multi-core CPU performance over the previous generation. It has used Xiaomi's own OS MIUI 14 and also Android 13. Now talking about the storage, it's got a 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. The battery capacity of this phone, it's got 4820 mAh, and with this adapter, which is 120 watts, the company says that it can actually charge a phone fully, that's 100%, within 19 minutes. Wow. Hello? Oh, okay. It's also got wireless charging. Thank you. And one more thing, this is a 5G phone, and that's something very important these days. Every other phone that's coming out in the market is a 5G phone, so that's a really cool feature. So guys, it's time for a shout out for Oxygen because they are the oxygen of this show. From the beginning till the end of every episode, they are there for us and they give us all these amazing phones. So if you're planning to buy your phone, make sure you visit the nearest Oxygen showroom right now, today. Call your daddy, mommy, brother, sister, grandfather, everybody, and please go to the Oxygen store because they have the latest gadgets, home appliances, washing machine, TV, fridge, yes, everything. So please go today. And also remember, you can use the Pearly 1000 code for 1000 rupees on any product. Okay. Guys, today I'm going to explore the phone with a trend because we always go with the trend. We are all Instagram people. So let's go to the Instagram vibes and bring it to the YouTubes. Basically, what we're going to do is, well, you're going to see it. Just stop behaving like you're in a Wes Anderson movie, okay? Overall, I think Xiaomi 13 Pro is an amazing phone, and if you're looking for a camera which has a professional camera quality, I think this is the phone for you because Leica being associated with this phone is one of the best things about this phone, and it's got all the flagship features that you're looking for. Plus, the price range is around 80k, so if you can afford this phone, I think you should get it. And I love the look of the phone except for the fingerprint issue, but if you can find a nice phone cover, then that will also be sorted. Also, I think if you like this video, you should subscribe to this channel now. Please. And if you want to buy this phone, make sure you visit the nearest Oxygen showroom because you will be getting a 1000 rupees discount using my code, which is Pearly1000. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!